They were supposed to be at an award ceremony at New York tonight, but they cancelled just so that they could be here to show their support and do their thing.
Picking up an international award as well.
And they're also internationally acclaimed, absolutely fits in with the fact that our first project is in Bangladesh, a British Bangladeshi band called Susanna Ansar, who's the lead singer. Her band is called Kansar. So,
round of applause, people.
Thank you.
Louder, louder.
This is the last song. This was there you are. This was we had a different song that we were going to do, but we've just changed it because of Rahima and Maps. So this is for you guys, okay? A lot of you know this one, so if you know the lyrics, you can sing along with me.
সোনা